Hey guys, hey family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. I'm Tanya, and today's video I am participating in a challenge. It's a 30-day challenge, and it's from my girls on my girls channel Mary's Life Journey. And she has a beautiful lifestyle channel, and I love she just living her life. She's in her 50s, she has children, and it's summertime now, so she started a challenge. It's like let's all rediscover ourselves. So let me give you details on this. I'm a little older than her, so I'm at a different phase, but we're all at that phase of let's do things we like to do. Let's discover new things. So the challenge is it's a 30-day challenge to rediscover myself or each other's self. The challenge is about reconnecting with yourself. If there's things, this is how I understood it to be, is, if there's things that you used to do that you kind of just let fall off by the wayside, but it's something that brought you joy, let's get back to that. There's something new you want to try. Let's open up ourselves to trying new things. Okay, so it's the challenge is about reconnecting with yourself, trying new things, practicing self-care, and rediscovering the person you are becoming. And we all go through different phases of life. I'm retired now, and I had a long work journey, and so now I love the fact that I don't like multitask. I don't go crazy. I'm like slowing things down and being more deliberate with things. The hashtag is Rediscover Myself, which that's for me. That's not for you guys. So she was asking, let's make this summer of growth and rediscovery. So it is summertime. Now, when I told her I was going to participate in this challenge, I was thinking about roller skating, because I've been roller skating since I was a young girl. It's been a great part of my life. It always made my mood, it made me feel good. But since the pandemic, I stopped skating. And then I was, for this challenge, I was going to go back roller skating. But it's summertime now, and it's been what's 2019. It's the last time I've been skating. I've never gone that long without roller skating, and so I went. Was looking into the rink, and now we have to sign a waiver. We have to give away so many rights, so I don't really feel comfortable with going roller skating right now. Okay, because I need to make sure that they're going to uphold their part of the bargain. If you're telling, we all know that the skating is a hazardous activity and stuff can happen. I've seen people get seriously hurt, but a lot of times it was because the skating rink didn't keep the floor clean and stuff like that. So I'm not going to do that one this summer. But what has brought me so much joy over the years, and something I started back doing again, is gardening. It's summertime, and I think it's something it gives me a lot of peace and tranquility, and I'm being productive at the same time. And as I'm getting older, I'm starting dealing with blood sugar and blood pressure management, and having your own produce that's organic is such a blessing. So my 30-day rediscovery challenge is to continue to reap the harvest of my garden, and to be more intentional about what I'm growing. So let's see what's going on. Okay, I'm considered a container gardener. I'm not digging up my backyard, so I just garden in my back patio. Hubby extended the patio last year because it brings us so much joy just to be able to walk outside in our backyard and pick food. These are just some petunias. Over here, this is hubby's garden. He just put these are potatoes. Over here, right here. These are cucumber plants. So this is my backpack. This is the pumpkin patch over here. I'm about to pull this up. We got plenty of squashes and zucchini out of here. So here's a pumpkin. Here's a pumpkin that's growing in here. I got another squash coming up. You see that? That's a squash right there. So, but most of the plants in here. Let me see, I see a pickle. I see a cucumber. So whatever is producing in here, I'll continue, I'll let it go, but stuff that's dying out, I'm just gonna let it go. Here is my pepper patch. In the summertime, this is, really my focus, tomatoes and peppers. You see, I'm getting some big bell peppers right here. All of them have peppers on them. And here is the sweet potato slits. And these take a long time. I'll be able to harvest them. If there's potatoes in here, let me see if I feel anything. No, I'll harvest them like around Thanksgiving. All right, and my tomatoes have been doing beautifully. See all of these? See, these are Romas. I'm growing smaller tomatoes this year, Romas and San Marzanos. So I see some ripe ones over here. Let's get those. See these in there? Okay, let's see what we can harvest. Just pull them off the plant. Okay, and here's another one right here. It's partially, it'll end up, it'll ripen when I take it inside. And okay guys, I forgot to show you, I have a greenhouse. And so I like to keep my tools in there. And let's see if it's okay to bring company into the greenhouse. Oh, I can't zip it up. Let's see. Okay, we're inside the greenhouse. Hubby got this for me for my birthday about 3, maybe 4 years ago. And so it's so important to have supportive people in your family. It doesn't, if they don't support it, that's okay too. But, and I've even inspired him to garden. And so he's very active in the garden. He still works, but on his off days, he's checking everything out. And he rebuilt the patio last year, so he's very active. So I'm glad that I could inspire him to find something to reduce. He's a very hardworking man, so this reduces his stress level as well. So I got some cantaloupe. I grew all of these from seed, and I'm gonna put them out probably next week. So they're grown very well. Got 4 more cantaloupes. I got a cherry tomato plant, out here. All right, so I'm redesigning it in here and getting rid of stuff and organizing everything. So, you know, it's important to have, and also if you guys are interested, if you're interested in gardening, I have a gardening channel. It's called Posh Plants and Garden. So I'm a container gardener, so I go a little bit more in detail on that channel. I pop videos up every now and again on maybe once a month on this channel about the garden. But, you know, it's just having, you know, you don't need a whole lot. You don't need a lot of space. Just, you know, some basic potting. If you're going to do a containers, you need some potting mix. You can just get some from Walmart. Get one bag from Walmart for $9. I think it's $8 really. And some pots and some seeds. And you can check my video. I think I'll see if I could link that video, Seed Starting 101. Well, it's kind of late in the season for that, but you can check that video, my channel out. I'll link that as well. And I'm also going to link Mary's channel into this video as well in my description box. Okay, family, so here's my harvest. And it just took a little work in April, and now I'm bearing fruit. And I think that's with life. Whatever you put into something, you will reap what you sow. So I want to thank Mary so much for starting this challenge. And this is the best thing I could be doing for myself at this point in my life, is gardening. We love it. And yeah, my favorite saying is, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great, no matter what it is, okay? So guys, good luck on your journey, and I'll be bringing more content for 30 days. Probably just once a week, just following the journey of me in the garden and what we can produce and all that good stuff, okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mary.